marrow transplant, also called a stem cell transplant, is a treatment for some types of cancer. For example, you might have one if you have leukemia, multiple myeloma, or some types of lymphoma. Doctors also treat some blood disease with stem cell transplant. In the past, a stem cell transplant was commonly called a bone marrow transplant because the stem cells were collected from the bone marrow. But today, stem cells are usually collected from the blood instead of the bone marrow. For this reason, they are now often called stem cell transplants. Now, I want to share you guys the result from the Google form that I conducted regarding to the stem cell transplant. The first question is, do you know about the stem cell transplant, or also known as bone marrow transplant? The result shows that 70% of the respondents know about the stem cell transplant. The second question is, do you know the process that involved in the stem cell transplant? The result shows that 30% of the respondents have a knowledge about the process. And the third question is, do you have any experience with stem cell transplant? If yes, who is involved? The result shows that 3% of the respondents have go through to the stem cell treatment, but the other 97% doesn't have any experience with stem cell transplant. So, based on the result from Google Form, I can conclude that there are still many people that doesn't know about stem cell transplant. But in medical field, stem cell transplant is the most important treatment, especially to the cancer survivor, because it gives a lot of advantages.
Bone marrow is the organ that produces the blood, and the blood then circulates throughout the body. When a disease like leukemia hits a child, it resides in the bone marrow. And so in order to cure that disease, we have to give the child very, very high doses of chemotherapy and radiation to kill and eradicate all those cancer cells. And then we rescue the patient with healthy bone marrow from a sibling, or in some instances, from a random donor from the general population. This is the process of bone marrow transplantation, and it involves the therapeutic transfer of healthy blood stem cells from the donor to replace the diseased blood stem cells of the child.
So everyone deserves the opportunity to live longer, but it takes patience, courage, and determination to face all the challenges. Parents and people around are important for motivation, and yes, we can fight this together. To all the cancer survivor or the patient, we still have a hope. Here are some video of the true fighter.
On the ocean, sending big waves into motion, like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion, and all those